Reuben Bolton, Bolton Brothers Recycling in Ipswich, and I'm Commercial Director. We're a recycling of mainly paper, cardboard and plastics of various types. We also do general waste collections where we recover as much recyclables as possible, and then we send any non-recyclable waste to incineration for waste to energy. We started using Coveya approximately 5 years ago for our rigid plastic recycling operation, where we have a washing and grinding facility, and then we just expanded from there and using it for our paper shredder operation as well. We acquired some conveyors and then we added to them. We bought them second hand, I believe, and so they just we acquired them and then we bought spare parts. They're very prompt on delivery to us, so we're very happy to continue purchasing new ones as well. The conveyors, they're sectional, so we can adjust the layout of how we're handling the recyclable products, and it's very easy to adjust and make them shorter or make them longer, and the parts are always delivered very promptly. Yeah, it works very well for us. I would recommend Coveya. They've been very prompt, the pricing's very good, and the service is what we need, so I would thoroughly recommend.